Hey, this is Scott from Aurora Energy, and today in this video we're going to show you how to go to pge.com and download your bill so we can get a copy of your bill, and also how to download all of your usage data. So I've got PG&E's website up here. Let's go ahead and switch over to that and see what this looks like here. And I'm logging into my own account so you can see what this looks like inside. So I already have my username and password saved in there, and I'm going to go inside and see what we can find in here. So got the good old wildfire season warning up there on top of the screen. Can't forget that fun stuff happening there, and we'll just wait for the account to load and be able to talk through the various steps here. So here we are, got my bill balance. Don't really need to be paying attention to that right now, but there's a couple of things here that you want to understand. First, I'll scroll this up a little bit so you can see it. There's the button right under your current bill. There's a little button that says View Current Bill PDF, and if you click on that, it's actually automatically going to download the PDF file to your computer, and it's going to open it up inside of Acrobat Reader, and it's going to save it in your downloads folder, wherever your downloads usually go. That PDF file is all we need. If you can just email that to us or text it to us, that would be great. That's the first step, and we just need that information so we can contact PG&E on your behalf to understand what your usage data was. And there's one more thing you can do to help us out. Let me show you what that looks like too. So here, back on the actual PG&E website, there's going to be an option over here to see energy usage details, and if you click on that, it's going to open up a completely separate tool on the PG&E website that actually allows you to view all of your usage day by day, month by month, bill by bill on an ongoing basis. So for example, here you can see I'm filming this video in the middle of December of 2019, so you can see all the individual days of usage that I have here on the screen. And you can actually go through up here and select different bill periods, and you can see all of your different usage every day, okay? But the important thing here is to come down here. There's this little thing called the green button over here on the right-hand side of the screen. It's way over there on the right-hand side. And if you click on that, it's actually going to open up another portion of the screen that's going to allow you to download all of your usage data. And this is super helpful to us. This lets us model the perfect system for your home so we don't overbuild it, but more importantly, we don't underbuild it, so you don't have to pay PG&E for any electricity going forward. So what you want to do is set it for a 1-year period. So you can see I'm recording this on December 13th, 2019. So what I want to do is set this for December 14th, 2018. So I'll just go back here on the calendar. I'll just type it in. How's that? Let's see what I can do here. Of course, the calendar's going to jump all over the place, right? So I want December 14th, 2018, and press export. And that's actually going to generate a CSV file. You can see it's called daily usage data. I'm just going to press save, and again that's going to save the file in your computer. You can email that over to us. Those are the two big pieces of information that we need from PG&E in order to get an accurate view of your annual electricity usage. So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to call us, 877-44-SOLAR. Reply to an email that we may have sent you, text us back, give us a call, stop by the office here in Angels Camp. We'd love to see you and help you figure out the best way to do solar for your home. Thank you so much for watching.